down the ramp at KAWO is a Cessna Corvallis. I don't see too many of these. Never seen one in person before. It's pretty big. It's a big airplane. Wow, look at the spinner on that thing. It's huge. Spinners probably comes out about, I don't know, 15, 16 inches. Its prop diameter is pretty small. Got a Hartzell constant speed on there. You can see the fixed nosed gear. Wow, look at it from down below. You can see the twin exhaust outlets. Oh, this is a sweet airplane. Look at the size of this thing. It's huge. Look at that strange nose gear. You can see the two exhaust outlets right there. Beautiful wheel pants. Look at those wheel pants, man. Those things are slick. You can kind of see the profile of the... That is just an incredible profile. Very aerodynamic. Wow. And it's got a... is that Fiki? It is Fiki, yeah. It's a Weeping Wing. TKS. Wow. So just like a cirrus. You've got the stall brake right there. And then a really interesting dual airfoil. Fascinating. That's really cool. How many gallons does it hold? Don't know. And you can see it's got speed brakes. Wow, this is a spectacular airplane. Wow, what a plane. Just really see. So it's it's got the same indicator lights as the Diamond. And it's obviously static whips for known flight into known. Wow, look at that. That's really interesting. A lot of these design elements are just like Diamond uses, with the counterbalance on the ailerons. It's almost like the same engineers worked on it. He's got aileron trim tabs on it. It's really, really cool. And you got a window just like the Diamond has to inspect your aileron bell cranks. Oh, look at that. What a plane. Really narrow flaps. And you can see the speed brakes on it. Wow. Look at this, it's just awesome. Great paint job. 1141 Yankee. Wow. And again, it's got the Fiki back here as well on the horizontal. It just, man, it's a Cessna, but wow, it looks a whole lot like a Cirrus or a Diamond. Composite aircraft. You can see below it's got the antennas. And I've never seen that before, but that must be for air conditioning. You got these outlets right here. Internal air and air conditioning. Look at that. It's got VGs right before the ducts. That's just very cool. And you got a scoop right there. You see that? Isn't that cool? On the brake, and a wheel pant leg fairings. This is a very high performance aircraft, obviously. Look at that profile. That's a pretty, you can't tell from the video, but that's a huge vertical stabilizer there. Wow. Jeez. Again, with the counterbalance on the elevator. Pretty interesting. It's got a jack point in the rear. I don't know if you can see that, but look at that. That's just really cool. Non-trimmable rudder, so that's interesting. Old school VORs. Got Satabra tacks in right there. Here's Satabra. Okay. Back here we've got interesting. It looks like they've got push rods for the rudder, but I can't tell. Wow. Really, what an amazing aircraft. And interesting from the back, there is no strobe or tail light. Everything's just on the wings. So it's got the strobes are just on the wings. And he's got this elevator trim tab on the right. No trim tab on the left. So, to wonder how this thing trims out. But wow. Speed demon, this plane. Tinted rear windows, non-tinted fronts. It looks like you get up to it on the wing versus the Diamond where we can't step on the wing. Just a spectacular airplane. Wow. You can see that wing shape, wing profile. It's almost much flatter, it looks like, on the top of the wing than the bottom. And here's a better look at the aileron counterbalance. You can see right there. What a plane. Holy smokes, rocket ship. I wonder if it's got a BRS. It's got the pitot-static, looks like, on the right side. Knock a duct. Kind of makes you wonder how cool these things run. I don't know what that thing is. Wow, what a plane. Well, there you go from KAWO. Cessna Corvallis.